Imagine a world where 1 equals 2. It sounds like a dream for your bank account, but it is a nightmare for mathematics. There is a classic algebraic proof that claims to demonstrate this impossibility, deceiving students and internet users alike. Let us construct this illusion step by step to identify exactly where the logic collapses. Start with two variables, a and b. Let us assume that a is equal to b. Watch as we multiply both sides of this equation by a. The left side transforms into a squared, and the right side becomes a times b. The scale of logic remains balanced. Next, we subtract b squared from both sides. On the left, we now see a squared minus b squared. On the right, we have a times b minus b squared. Now, we apply the rules of factoring to change the shape of the equation. Watch the left side expand using the difference of two squares formula. It splits into two sets of parentheses, a minus b multiplied by a plus b. On the right side, we factor out the common variable b, leaving us with b multiplied by the quantity a minus b. At this stage, everything looks mathematically sound. Here's the trap. Notice that both sides of the equation feature the term a minus b. The temptation is simply to divide both sides by this term to simplify the equation. Watch as we slash through a minus b on the left and the right, causing them to disappear. We are left with a simple statement, a plus b is equal to b. Since we defined a to be equal to b at the very beginning, we can substitute a for b. This changes the equation to b plus b equals b, or simply 2b equals b. If we divide by b, we arrive at the false conclusion that 2 equals 1. So, how do we avoid this trap? The error lies in the step where we canceled out a minus b. Recall that a equals b. Therefore, a minus b is actually 0. When we divided both sides, we committed the cardinal sin of mathematics, division by 0. Division by 0 is undefined because it allows you to prove anything regardless of truth. The hidden 0 masked itself as an algebraic expression to bypass your logic filters. By dividing by 0, we essentially collapsed the number line, making all numbers equal to each other. This is why mathematicians are so strict about undefined operations. The proof is not a demonstration of a broken reality, but a demonstration of a broken rule. Whenever you cancel variables, you must always ensure the value you are removing is not 0. If you enjoyed this explanation, hit subscribe and check out our other math videos.